Camping cooking utensils are essential tools for any outdoor enthusiast looking to cook up a delicious meal while on the go. There are many products available to choose camping cooking utensils, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best camping cooking utensils from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Camping Cookware Cooking Utensils Set. Introducing the Wesquini Camping Utensils, a 14-piece camping cookware set that is perfect for all your outdoor cooking needs. Made of high-quality stainless steel and silicone, these utensils are BPA-free and safe to use. The compact utensil organizer keeps everything neatly in place, making it easy to access the cooking utensils while avoiding damage during transportation. The set includes 2 silicone cooking utensils that protect the coating of the pots, and the extended length of the food tongs prevents oil splashes. With its versatile range of utensils, this camping cookware set is not only ideal for camping and outdoor barbecues, but also a must-have for RV cookware sets and travel cooking. Say goodbye to messy cooking experiences and enjoy the convenience of the Wesquini camping utensils. Number 2. Camping Cookware Storage Bag. This 19-piece camping cooking utensils set includes a variety of utensils, such as a chef's knife, soup spoon, and barbecue clip, all made of high-grade stainless steel and PP. It comes with a storage bag and is suitable for camping, hiking, picnics, and other outdoor activities. The set is also a great gift for holidays like Christmas and Valentine's Day. Number 3. Portable Camping Kitchen Utensil Set. Freehacker brings you the ultimate 27-piece outdoor utensil set that is perfect for various outdoor activities including camping, hiking, picnics, and BBQs. The set includes a cutting board, knives, forks, tongs, a wine opener, and more, all stored in a compact and customizable bag. The lightweight and ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, while the high-end stainless steel materials guarantee durability and reliability. Number 4. Extremis 13 PCS Camp Kitchen Cooking Utensil Set. This camping cooking utensil set has all you need to prepare an outdoor meal. The 100% Oxford woven fabric backpack has a 3-layer protective interior structure that keeps your utensils organized and protected from the elements. The food-grade stainless steel utensils are coated with rust inhibitors for enhanced endurance and reliability. The backpack is lightweight, portable, and easy to carry, with multiple carrying options and dual metal zippers for easy opening and closing. The Extremis Camp Kitchen Set is ideal for campers, hikers, nomads, or anyone who appreciates an outdoor lifestyle. Take it anywhere you go and enjoy grilling burgers, cooking fish, preparing dishes, or just enjoying a meal in your backyard. Number 5. Otoland 8 PCS Camping Cookware Utensils Travel Set. The Otoland 8 PCS Camping Cookware Travel Set has everything you need for outdoor cooking. The pack includes a tongs, spatula, serving spoon, knife, scissors with bottle opener, rice paddle, cutting board, and a water-resistant case. Made with tough woven cotton, this kit protects your utensils from the elements, and it stores away easily in standard storage spaces. It is perfect for camping, sporting events, hiking, boat rides, mountaineering, BBQs, and office break room. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.